Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yesterday, we're going to continue our another requirement analysis video. Mechanical engineering courses for winter and summer semester both in engineering sciences. We usually work on as of now master degree courses. That's the reason you can just see our criteria here. All criteria are mentioned which I told. Usually in the previous playlist, I also covered computer science and electrical combined requirement analysis for winter semester and summer semester most of the German universities. Then we also made a handful of application videos. Now we shifted to mechanical engineering side, where we are making videos about mechanical engineering courses. At first requirement analysis, then if we have a application procedure open, then we will also make application procedure step by step how to apply videos. Likewise, in the previous video we finished our commerce application video, University of Stuttgart, and it was finishing on 15th February, and whoever watched it, and I hope you guys applied it, and I hope you get a positive response and you start studies in German. Upon that, if you're still new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about how to apply for German university and what are the courses are available at German university at first to study in your particular streams like mechanical, computer science, electrical, civil, etc. Then we will also make requirement analysis. In this requirement analysis, we just go through the course details, overview, and what are the fees that they have, or it is free. Then the main thing would be requirement and registration, where we get to know what are the documents that you need to provide and what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get into that particular college. After that, we will also note down the application deadline. When the application deadline are met, we will also show you how to apply step-by-step procedure. Upon this, if you're still in one-on-one session or you want me to apply for you, you can just become a YouTube member, or you can just write me an email, then we can plan something for you. Now, without wasting any time, today it will be episode number 16. We'll talk with battery and hydrogen technology in Technische Universität of Braunschweig. And also I saw a comment, because I guess the person who pointed that for some other course, but particularly for Technische Universität of Braunschweig, the application procedure is open. That's the reason I will make all complete any of the courses that are present in Technische Universität of Braunschweig. The application procedure will be same for different parts of courses also. So if I'm doing it for battery and hydrogen technology, if you're interested in other course, don't wait for until I make a video. You can just look at this video and do it for that particular subject. So don't waste until I do. If once you know which college it is, the application procedure will be almost same. So please go ahead. Then in the overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science. The course location is in Braunschweig, which will be in NRW, and teaching language is both German and English. I think it's a bilanguage course. That's the reason it is both mixed, where you need to also fulfill the German requirement in order to apply for this particular course. And we will know what is the German requirement that you need to fulfill in order to get into this particular course. The program can be studied entirely in English, okay, then predominantly in German, or flexible with combined German and English module. As I told you, there are three types they are saying. You can flexibly do it in complete English, but I guess you will have very low range of subjects. But the predominant language is German as usual, but there is a flexibility with the combination of German and English module. But in order to do this, you need to have at least B2 level of German. Specifically, I am taking example of Duisburg SN College, but in this college, we don't know what is the requirement that you need to fulfill in order to you will be applicable for flexible combination of German and English. In addition, compulsory language courses in German and or English are designed to enhance the language proficiency. That will be also good as a person, if I have to say. People who are thinking, okay, this college needs German, then I don't apply for this. No, until previous years, it was fine if you don't know German, if you know only English to get a job. But now the reality of job market in Germany is, if you don't know German to speak, if you want to survive only in English, then I guess it is very hard. So I suggest you guys to please study German, or also get into this particular bilingual course where you will also learn technical German and you will get job easily. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible, and program duration is 4 semester. Beginning of semester is both in winter and summer semester. Application deadline, it's straightforward, 1st June to October 15th for German and or EU nations. And if you are a person who is for non-EU, then it will be 1st February to 15th March, which is for us. And the application deadline is till next month 15th. So we have ample amount of time. I will show you how to apply. If you are applying for summer semester, then it will be 1st December to January 15th for Germany or non-EU people, 1st August to 15th September for non-EU people. And tuition fees is none. Combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. If you want to get to know the course details, here are the course details where you need to get to know, and these are the compulsory modules where you have to do 15 credits of compulsory modules, 46 credit points of electives, then 14 credit points of interdisciplinary module where you need to also have a language level of C1 and German B1 should be achieved in this particular thing. Then it will be student research project of 15 credit points, and at last it will be master thesis of 30 credit points. This is how your 120 ECTS is covered, where you will have compulsory elective laboratory course, interdisciplinary development and research paper, which usually if your college in technical university where it doesn't have internship, then they will have research paper presentation, because it will be like a mini thesis where you will understand how to present in thesis. After that, once you finish your degree with the positive grade, then you will get a diploma supplement at the end of the degree. International elements, where you will get the language training provided, project with partner company in German abroad, integrated optional study abroad, etc, etc. Then integrated optional study abroads are there in this particular collaborated course, where they have 100 Erasmus partnership in Europe, where you can check in Sweden, Spain, France, Netherlands, Greece, because you can just go into TU Braunschweig website and check for what are the partner colleges that are working there. Then you can also go for one semester there as an Erasmus when finished. It's not only in Europe, you can also go to USA, Japan and any other places. You can also complete internship in also foreign companies or inside Europe or any other. This is always open, where you will take a internship or a urlaub semester, where you will take a vacation type from the college, saying that I am going out for an internship or doing internship for my professional experience also. That is straightforward. Cost and fundings, as I told you already, it is none. You will have to only pay the tuition fee, semester fees, which will be approximately 400 to 450 euros. With the student fees, the public transport will be also covered as of now. So this particular public transport as of now is Deutschland ticket, where you can travel entire Germany for free with regional bands. So you don't need to worry. Once it is closed, then it will be apply what is the rule in your NRW state. But as of now, you can travel entire Germany in one ticket. And cost of living in Braunschweig, usually typically less, 900 to 1000, because it's like tier 3 city, where it is very cheap accommodation. But at this particular average amount doesn't harm us at first year, because anyway, irrespective of this money, we will be blocking around 11,500 or 600 euros for a year, and that particular amount will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month, and you have to survive in that particular 12 months money. Once that 12 months money is gone, if you want to extend your visa, then you need to either provide a job or a part-time job which you have working, so that you can show your financial proof. If you don't have any of the work student or any of the part-time, then you need to get your blocked account again fixed. So that's how you have to make sure that you are secured for next 1 year or next 2 years. Then the visa authorities will extend your visas. Funding opportunity within the university, yes, there is funding opportunity, because TU Braunschweig will come under TU. Generally in TU you will have Deutschland entire Germany, and requirements and registration, this will be the main thing. In order to get into this particular course or this particular college, what are the things you need to have? You need to have a bachelor degree or equivalent degree in the battery or hydrogen technology. If you have done process engineering, mechanical engineering or also chemistry, then you can also apply for this particular course. But as I told you in starting itself, it's a bilanguage course. That's the reason there is a English language skill of B2 level and German language skill of A2 level or higher at the time of admission. Okay, then if you remember in the course location itself, where you will be finishing until B1 or B2, so that you will be industry ready. So this particular subjects or this particular course is designed to be industry specific oriented, and I think it's a very good thing, because finishing A2 is not that hard in India. You can finish it and apply for this particular course. If you have to fulfill B2, then you need to have IELTS 6.5, that is standard. And if you're doing German language course, please do it in only 2, TELC or Goethe, where you don't get any of the questions arised after anything. So TELC, Goethe is, at least as per I know, the widely recognized certificates. If don't do it in any of the public or private sectors where they will give you for lesser efforts, then they won't agree. If this certificate is not valid, then you will get a rejection. So please do it in Goethe or TELC. Application deadline we already know, and the application link is this, where we will show, or you already know, if the application is open, then I will show you next videos, in 2 videos, how to apply for this particular course. So stay tuned. Next videos it will be how to apply. Services: once you get your student visa, then you will be obliged to work for 140 full days and 280 half days. With that, you can work as a part-time, either in work student, where in technical jobs, or in any of the shops or restaurants as a non-technical jobs. Then as soon as you get an admission in Braunschweig, please apply for student in dorms or in the college campus dorms, where you will get cheaper accommodation. If you don't get it, then you need to move out, where you will usually have to pay more rent. So please plan accordingly and apply as soon as you get a admission. And welcome event booty program, accompanying program will be always there for all international students, so no need to worry. And about the university, if you need to know about Technical University of Braunschweig, well and good, you can check their course website. But as per I know, it is like 300 years old university, and most of the technical universities that are named in any of the city will be usually 300 years. And I have told you million times, if you want to, if you are studying in a public university in Germany, irrespective of what college, your degree is valid, or your degree is one of the recognized degree. So no need to worry if you're studying in public university. Just apply. If you get it, then do it without thinking. Yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in the requirement analysis video of episode number 16, where we talked about battery and hydrogen technology for Technical University of Braunschweig. And we also get to know that the application is open, and you already know the next application videos when it will be released. So see you in next videos. Until then, check it. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.